Do you struggle with finding the right part for your vehicle? Well, we can help. Open your web browser of choice and type in axxessinterfaces.com. Then click here to download the vehicle application guide. Make sure you enable macros for Excel. To start, look for make, model, and year of your vehicle. Make sure you look out for the red marks on some of the products, as they will provide you extra information about that product. At the top, the chart will show you which interface does what. Will this interface provide 12-volt and chime using internal speakers? Does the interface provide 12-volt, chime, support telematics such as GM's OnStar and Ford's Sync and factory amplifiers? Look at the top and find out the right part for what you're looking for. For the rest of the chart, click on one of the buttons that will take you to that section immediately. Whether it's info retaining interfaces, OEM camera retention, adding cameras to your OE system, start and stop override, USB replacement, or steering wheel control interface harnesses. There's a chart for all of them. In the bottom left, there are different tabs for other Axxess parts you might be looking for. There's a tab for VSPs, amp bypasses, steering wheel control applications, steering wheel control capable radio list, and an Axxess feature tab. Be sure to check back frequently, as these are updated regularly to add new vehicles and products. For any more information on this, you could visit axxessinterfaces.com.